Hello friends, this is Sanvi and welcome back to the Terrace classroom. In this video, we'll be studying the part 2 of getting to know plants. In this module, you will learn about leaves, roots and flowers. Parts of plants' leaves. Their main function is to prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and a green-colored substance present in them. For this, they also use water and carbon dioxide. This process is called photosynthesis. Oxygen is given out in this process. The food prepared by leaves ultimately gets stored in different parts of a plant. Let us perform a simple activity. We need these things: a leafy branch of a plant, 2 transparent polythene bags and a thread. Then follow these steps during a sunny day. Enclose a leafy branch of the plant in a polythene cover and tie up its mouth. Tie up the mouth of another empty polythene cover and keep it also in the sun. What do you observe? You will find droplets of water on the cover. These water droplets have come out of the leaves in the form of water vapor by a process called transpiration. So what can we conclude? From this activity, we can conclude that plants release a lot of water into the air through transpiration. The stem supplies leaf with water. The leaves use water to make food. The leaves also lose water through transpiration. So here, I would like to ask you a question. How do the stem and leaves get water? Yes, you're right. That is where the roots come in. Parts of plants' roots. The root is an important part of the plant which is present in the soil. Perform a simple activity. Take out 2 plants and cut out the roots from one. Then plant them in 2 pots, A and B. Water them regularly. You will observe that the plant without the roots is not healthy. Therefore, roots are important for the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Roots have another function. They hold the plant firmly to the soil. They anchor the plant to the soil. You can observe this with the help of an activity. Take 3 to 4 seeds of gram and maize and put them in 2 different clumps of wet cotton. Now try to remove the seeds from the cotton. You will observe that it is difficult to pick out the seeds. Plants have 2 types of roots, taproot and fibrous roots. Some plants have roots in which there is a main root called the taproot and smaller roots which arise from it called lateral roots. Example, turnip, carrot, etc. Some plants have not main roots. All roots seem similar and these are called fibrous roots. Example, wheat, rice, etc. Plants which have a taproot have leaves which reticulate, venation, and plants with fibrous roots have leaves with parallel venation. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and the stem conducts these leaves and other plants of the plants. The leaves prepare food. This food travels to the stem and is stored in different parts of the plant. We can eat some of these as fruits like carrot, radish, sweet potato, turnip, and tapioca. Also eat many other parts of a plant where food is stored. Hence, the stem acts as a two-way traffic street, transporting food from leaves and water from roots. Parts of plants' flowers. Flowers are one of the most prominent parts of the plant which help in identifying it. The most prominent parts of flowers are called petals. In a closed bud, they are cluttered together. Similarly, the most prominent parts of the bud are made up of leaf-like parts called sepals. Note: while studying flowers, avoid using flowers like marigold or chrysanthemum or sunflower, as these are not single flowers but rather multiple flowers. Take any flower of the following: doTERRA, China rose, mustard, brinjal, lady's finger, gulmohar. Remove the petals and sepals and compare your flower to the figure given here. You will be able to identify the stamens with anthers and pistil in your flower. Note: to see the inner parts of the flower clearly, you must cut it open. If its petals are joined, for example in doTERRA and other bell-shaped flowers on the right. Let us study the structure of the stamens and the pistil. Each stamen consists of a filament and an anther. A flower could contain multiple stamens. The pistil is the innermost part of the flower. It consists of stigma at the top, which is sticky, a long part called the style, and an ovary at the bottom. The number of sepals, petals, stamens, and pistils may also be different or absent in different flowers. Let us now study carefully an important part of the pistil, the ovary. It is the lowermost and the swollen part of the pistil. You can cut it in a longitudinal way or a transverse way. Put a drop of water on the cut part to prevent drying. The small bead-like structures within the ovary are called ovules. So friends, we have reached the end of today's chapter. Thank you for watching this video. Watch part 1 of Getting to Know Plants if not yet watched. And as usual, subscribe to the Terrace Classroom and look out for more videos. Bye-bye.